Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO K10x and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first find and select settings. Now go to password and security, mark fingerprint, tap on agree, tap on continue then, and at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. This password can be numeric, alphanumeric, or you can smoothly enter the pattern, however you prefer. As you can see, you need to remember that your lock screen password cannot be forgotten, because otherwise you will not be able to access your device and you will have to perform a hard reset. So it's better to remember it. That's why I provided a quite easy one, but don't do it. It's better to have a bit more complex password. And now it's time to enter your fingerprint. Grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Tap on done, and as you can see, from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.